Hello and welcome to 833 Greenwich Street. This is a fabulous location. From the exterior of the building, you have views of Coit Tower. This is a beautiful Edwardian building located in a fantastic location. Okay, so let's enter the building here. You have secured gates. The mailbox is through the door. This is unit 833, and you walk up. This is a beautiful light-filled unit. It's been completely renovated. And you have many original Edwardian details, yet very modern appliances and upgrades. Okay, so you walk up into this nice landing here. There are 2 rooms up front. And there is a nice big coat closet right as you walk in. Lots of shelving. Here is the bathroom. Nice shower, sink. There's your toilet and medicine cabinet. So it's been nicely updated. Here is one room here. You have nice plantain shutters. These are pocket doors. This room does not have a closet, but there's plenty of room to put one in. This one is pretty similar in size, except it has a wonderful custom closet. Nice round bay window. Down the hall just a little bit here is another bedroom. This one has a closet, and there's also plenty of space if you wanted to add additional armoires. Okay, so down the hall just a little bit further here, you have a half bath. So toilet, sink. It's perfect for when you have company over. Here's an amazing kitchen, and it is open to a living room. Or this could be a formal dining room as well. You have original built-in cabinets, picture rails, craftsman-style ceilings that opens up into a magnificent kitchen. You have stone counters, stainless sink, dishwasher, gas range. These are all designer appliances. Kitchen island. Beautiful light fixtures. And your refrigerator is right over here. Nice sizable ones with free laundry machines in your unit. Okay, if you're interested in this beautiful space, please go to rentalsnsf.com. Thanks.